It's a Comet. That's what it is. Comet. Mercury Comet. Looking at 4-door Seville. Looks like an 82? 84, I think. 84. I think this is an 84. Let me see, what year? Oh, no, I was right the first time. 1980. 80 Eldorado. It's an 80. This looks a 69 or 70, right? 69. Oh, look at this convertible Imperial. I believe I know the owner of this car. Me and him. He was like, he came in like third or fourth, and I was fourth or fifth in the New Rochelle show. Him with this car, me with my Lincoln. This is Mr. Pagano. He may even be a relative of mine, because my grandmother's last name was Pagano, and she was from New Rochelle too, I believe. Boy, is it freaking hot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stay the whole time here. It's hot. I could go over my mother's and go in the freaking swimming pool. Yeah, my pits are starting to sweat. Sign of the whale.
One, two. Guys, give a round of applause to my 3 very brave volunteers right now. Not knowing what they signed up for. But Corey's going to give you instructions. Alright, guys.
Tough
I'm going to tell you guys what Corey's telling.
Modern V8.
Pretty much everyone can tell that Corey's going to jump over them, right?
Modern V8 Merc, I don't know, is it 50? What did they start with? A 49, I think. 50, yeah, 50. 50 convertible. I think I've seen this before. This too.
Corey's going to be fine. He has his helmet on, alright?
The Soul Chrysler here. This is Dragon must have this, I think. Right.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah, probably.
This is super dangerous, so we got to make sure that we fuel him up as much as possible, alright? So let's do a chant, guys. Let's go. Corey, 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 Corey. Full speed. Corey Burger from New Jersey, guys. Give it up for him. Here we go. Full speed up and over. Give it up for Corey Burger and these 3 very brave volunteers. Let him hear you guys. Hey, whoa. They moved? You want to try something else? Guys, Corey wants to know, can he jump you again? Yeah, you guys having fun?
Yeah, drag
guys,
car,
want to see Corey jumping again? He said he wants to try something different.
The towel's coming over the...
Corey, this could be pretty crazy, which means we need to be super, super loud, so we can be
Aluminum
super awesome. Can you guys help me out with that? All right, Corey, you ready down there? Are you guys ready up here? All right, here we go, guys. Help me out. Corey, Corey, Corey. Let's go, guys. Corey Brother, full speed at our 8-foot quarter pipe.
I think I went to school. Here's father.
Here we go. Open up. Give it up for Corey Brother and these 3 guys.
Look at this. Same color as mine. It's a convertible. It's a year older than mine, I think. Absolutely beautiful. Paint job looks like I painted it. Very nice. Thing is, they didn't. I can tell you this: they didn't strip this bare. This is on top of the original paint. This is a repaint. This ain't a restoration. Like mine. Mine's a complete restoration. This is a repaint. Look at that huge blower. So what is this? A little Studebaker? Custom grill. I think it's a little Studebaker. What is this? Pontiac. It's a little Pontiac. Oh my. Oh, the steering wheel there. This will be a lot of fun to drive something like this. Look at this. Oh, I think I know these. These are from another car here. They put them in upside down and laying down. That's real cool. Yeah, I know the guy who owns this car. Nice car, nice guy. Nice guy that told me about how you pull it. And oh, I didn't know it was a stick. I thought this was automatic, this car. Yeah, look at this. Look at this thing. 66 Chevelle. Huh, interesting. Got the Edelbrock carburetor with the Holly air cleaner on top. Mix and match. Hey, I do it sometimes too. So I wish I had enough money to turn my Chevrolet Monte into a blown small block monster. I love this. Look at this. Look at this paint. Look at the skulls in the hood and in the air scoop. Look at this. Look, it's a pearl. It's a 3-stage. Possibly 4 with these artwork. 3-4-stage paint job. Yeah. The clear. You got the pearl. You got the metallic, the color, and all of that. All rolled into one. Look. Looks like a different car on this side because it's in the shade. Then it does in straight direct sunlight. And that's what those pearl paint jobs do. Look like the car's got 2 different, depending on the light it's in, it looks like it's 2 different colors. Yeah. Alright, we gotta go down here. We gotta try and get it all in here. The battery's still working. Convertible Impala. Lovely. I think it's a 59, I think. It's a 59 or 60. We got 55 Chevy, I think. That's not 57, it's like a 55 or 6. 56, 7, 58, I think was the 3. Yeah, 6 Chevy. I think this is a 56. Fucking half these people don't put the fucking year. Really? Oh no, 55 Bel Air. I was right. So it's 55, 56, and 57. And here's a 57 right here. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful modern tires and wheels. And it's a stick? No, it's an automatic. Probably used to be a stick. It's a stick, this Mustanger here with the 289 motor. Yeah, I've done rod bearing jobs on those engines before. Yeah. Got temperamental starters if they get too hot. Yeah. Just like a small block Chevy in my Monte Carlo. With headers, you get a little too hot, she will not restart until it cools off. Unless you wrap your headers with Thermotech. Look at this Hummer here. Alright.